sunny morning, the little cloud was floating in the sky. Sun.
Hello, Cloud. You look so happy today.
Cloud. Yes, I am carrying tiny raindrops. They are waiting to help everyone. I am a little raindrop. I want to make the earth green and happy. Here come the tree.
Thank you, little raindrops. Now we can grow big and strong.
Here come the flowers. We can bloom with beautiful colors. And here the bird arrives. Now I have fresh water to drink. Rain gave us water, green trees, pretty flowers, and happy smiles. So we should always love nature, save water, and keep our earth clean. Thank you, rain. Thank you, nature. Happy rainy days.